Hey everybody, this is Nemo and welcome to day 2 of our ownCloud series. So after installing ownCloud on day 1, it's now time to explore it and learn how to manage files, users, and so on. So as soon as we access the index page, we will be presented with 3 default folders: Documents, Music, and Photos. Of course, it's not mandatory to use them, but they contain some demos we can use in order to understand how ownCloud works. And of course, we can create new folders as well. And let's try it right away. So from the top here, simply hit New, select Folder, give it a name, and hit Enter. And you can see the new folder just popped out, ordered by name among the others. Who will now be able to see this? Well, at the time being, by default, only a user that has created a folder or uploaded a file will be able to see these entities. And to share them with someone else, and this comes particularly in handy if we're involved in any kind of teamwork, we have to hover, as you can see on any of these, and click Share to bring up sharing options. We can choose to share with a single user or a group, or even create a public link to that folder. I created a test user, so let's share this new one with them. Was test user. That's user. And as you can see, we can notify the new group or user by email and define its permission level. I will leave it as default and save. You can see it now says shared. So let's now log in as the test user and see if it worked. So as soon as I log in, and you can see I'm the test user here, I notice there is a new folder named shared. And so let's click on it. And by the way, you can see you can download entire folders along with single files with ownCloud. And there, our admin created folder is sitting here. Now we have enough permissions to add something here, so let's create a new file. I will go to New, Text File, and we'll call it our file, for example. As soon as the new file is created, click on it to bring up the editor. And yeah, there are not many options to deal with here as it's simple text file. However, ownCloud comes with a built-in rich editor as well. And it fully supports the ODT or OpenType document format, which you can manage with the major Office programs out there. So let me write something here. Save. Then to create a new document, I will hover on Documents and click on it. And then click New Document. As you can see, there are enough options at the top here to modify and add some pretty text formatting to it. So let's change the name. Some new doc, for example. Write something. Let's just test it out. Let's change, Droid Sans. Make it bold, and then close to save modifications. Now we saw how to share a folder with other users, but how do we actually create new ones or groups? Well, it's really easy, really. So I will be back to my admin user now, so we can have a look at that. So I will click here on my username admin, then users, and then from this top menu here, I will simply enter the name, set up a password, select or create a group. As you can see, you can add a group from here by simply inputting the name and then hit create. Once the new user has been created, it's of course possible to change the storage space here. And you can see there are many options Other allows you to set up customized storage space, but it's also possible to set up a default storage space. So this may come in handy if you create many users and you want them to have access to the same storage quota. Okay, so I believe this is everything for day 2. In the next video, we will see how to choose a web host for ownCloud, its requirements, and we'll also see how to get a free domain. As always, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.